Hi, I'm Kep Kepner CPA here in Dallas. We help our clients grow their businesses to become enterprises. And that requires change. And it's hard work. But the rewards are tremendous if somebody does it well. So what are the barriers to successful change? Well, there was an IBM study that dealt with this issue. And let's see what the results were. 58% said that the major barrier was changing the mindset and the attitude of the people. That may be the owner or it may be the staff, but that's the biggest one. 49% said the culture of the company was part of that. That's about people too. Does your company take risks? Do you take risks? Will you allow yourself to innovate? 35% said the barrier was the complexity being underestimated. There are a lot of things in this world. It's a complex world. And underestimating that is a people problem. You notice the first three barriers had to do with people. 33% said it was a shortage of resources. That could mean money. It could mean not having the right technology. It could be not having the right physical plan or the other tools you need, but it might also mean not having the right people to implement the change. The IBM study showed that 32% felt like it was a lack of commitment from higher management. So if you have a company, you're the owner, and you say, I want this change to take place, and then you don't listen to your staff in the way that they implement it, the strategy they have to make it work, then you're part of the problem. You're not part of the solution. So that was a major barrier. Lack of change know-how was determined to be part of that barrier. So how do you go about change? You can't just say, well, I'm going to change it. I can give you a clue. The real clue is you have to be strategic about it, just like everything else you do in your business. There were a few other things like lack of transparency between the people and the idea, a lack of motivation on the part of the employees, a change in IT systems. It's interesting, only 8% said it was a technology issue. So what are the barriers to change? Think about those items that I mentioned. It's all about people. It's all about people. And you as the owner of a small business, if you want to implement change, you've got to be involved and you've got to motivate your people and you've got to make it happen. And you've got to find the people on your staff that are going to be your innovators and your cheerleaders, and they're going to make it happen. But it's all about people, whether it's changing mindset, whether it's a corporate culture, whether it's the complexity, whether it's a lack of commitment. All of these things have to do with people. So if you're not willing to employ all the strategies necessary to bring your people into the change, then you're not going to have a very good success. We can help you achieve that success. Give us a call. Thanks.